Today I finally got my hands on a set of wheels for the Red 124 project. These are AMG monoblocks in the 17-inch size. They're not staggered, all 5 are 7.5 inch by 17 with an offset of 35. They do need to be refurbed, but that's fine, beggars can't be choosers. But Blue Black was not pleased with me using it today for this purpose. Anyone that's had an M103 or M104 for a reasonable amount of time, chances are you're going to have this failure or will have already. This is the fan bearing bracket, and the bearing has either failed or it has moved backwards in its housing, and the actual pulley that the fan runs on is rubbing on the main crank pulley. So I'm going to have to change that fan bracket. I'm not overly concerned. The cooling system is due for a change, so I'll do that at the same time anyway. Let's have a closer look at these wheels. They're not too bad, but they definitely need to be refurbed. All of the tyres are trash. I knew this before buying them, so I'm okay with that. And as you can see, they look really damn good on the Red project, even in the condition that they're in. It's starting to really come together. They're going to look phenomenal once they're restored, with new caps of course. And they don't stick out at all, which is important because that will not pass inspection here if they do. So they're absolutely a perfect fit for the 124. These did come off a 202, and the part number of the wheels are 202s. And it's just like they're made for this 124. I have seen some ridiculous prices on these online. I'm not sure if people are actually paying those dollars, but I didn't pay anywhere near that much, so I'm quite happy. For anyone interested, that's the size as mentioned already, and that's the part number. Genuine, of course. Not fakes. And as you can see from these tyres, someone has had a lot of fun. Maybe I should do the same with Red to give these tyres a final farewell. We'll see.